Hello and welcome to another update video about Gala. I had a lot of requests for another Gala video, even though currently the metaverse cryptos are a little bit quiet, chilling out currently in their target ranges here. I mean, Gala is still in its target area here between the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level at 23.6 cents and the 88.7% Fib level at 15.5 cents. So chilling out in this yellow target range that we identified as the area where with the highest probability the price would turn around. So far we have seen a fairly strong reaction to that 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level, but it was not enough yet to confirm a sustainable move to the upside. So when that 88.7% Fib level was reached, there was a profit, or at least a move up over 100%, way over 100, nearly 100, well over 150%. So if anybody bought really at that 88.7% Fib level and sold here, that's great. That was great. Congratulations for everybody who did that. I didn't. I bought a little bit higher and I haven't sold. So that's just what it is. But I intend to hold it longer. I intend to hold it a bit longer. I want to take the swing, the next wave up. And the next wave up, because this year was a wave 1 in November. That was the hype, the metaverse hype. That's when they had their first run. Then we're coming down in that wave 2 here. That is where we currently are. Yeah, did our ABC correction here, made a lower low, which is fantastic. Now just waiting for that next wave up, which would go the minimum, the most conservative scenario for that would actually be the 1.618 Fib extension at $1.37. But I think we could, with the metaverse cryptos, when they really get their run, then we could even see the 2.618 at $2.17. Yeah, and that would be pretty much here at 10x from where we actually are now. Yeah, and that would not be bad. Absolutely not. What I really wanted to show you in this video is that we have, again, similar to many other cryptos at the moment, we are currently moving here. And that is why, one second, this is why we're currently not seeing much movement, because a lot of cryptos are currently moving in a potential breakout pattern, yeah, in a triangle or in a wedge pattern, falling wedge in this case. And this means that you see reducing, volume, and you are seeing that the price, less volatility as well, because the price is getting squeezed into the apex of that pattern. And typically this one here is a falling wedge, as you can see. A falling wedge typically breaks to the upside. It doesn't have to break to the upside, yeah, but more often than not it would. So there's no reason to speculate. It doesn't make sense. Yeah, we don't know where it will go to. But if you see the breakout, it is a potential long opportunity, a short-term long trade. Again, with a breakout out of that pattern here, that would, if it happened today, that would need to be above 22.5 cents. Yeah, and then possibly a retest would be good from my point of view, for my own trading management. I always like to do that. Wait for a retest, and then you need to see increasing volume. There is no real number about, percentage, how much more volume do you need to see, but you need to see more volume than you've seen before, and it should be significantly more. And then the next target for that, the typical target for the, or the first main target for such a breakout out of a wedge pattern would be the beginning of the wedge, which is up here. Yeah, which is pretty much 26.8 cents. So that is not a massive one in this case, but it would also be a 16%. Yeah, so again, not too bad. And I wanted to make you aware of that one. That could, of course, it would be together with a breakout above the 20-day moving average, which you can see here in orange, which would be bullish. And of course, if you break this 26-cent level, then we can also go easily probably to that next one here, and that would also be the 61.8% Fib level at 37 cents. So we are getting into interesting territory now for many cryptos. We are seeing these descending wedges, and that is what is getting interesting. Looking on the indicators, yeah, pretty much sideways movement here at the moment. Yeah, we have a higher low, which is already a good thing. Yeah, the MACD reducing here its negative momentum, which is also good, but it just shows the sideways movement at the moment. Okay, on the stochastic RSI now oversold, so also here we could expect then at some point here an uptrend. So generally there is, should we really break to the upside here, there is a lot of room to the upside from these indicators, before you get overbought, and therefore that could be an interesting opportunity. But again, no financial advice, and it doesn't need to work out. Primarily, I do still expect for the general crypto market lower prices, because Bitcoin has not completed its correction yet, in my opinion. But this doesn't mean that you could see short-term upside. Okay, so that's my view here on Gala. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment for the algorithm. That would help the channel a lot, and you would support the channel. It's a lot of work to put all these videos out. And if you want to support the channel even further, and if you really like the content, maybe check out the channel membership if that is something for you. All right, thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.